Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to open old NGL app account very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this reputable article. So if you are trying to recover your old NGL account but don't know where to start, don't worry. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. So whether you have uninstalled the application or just temporarily logged out, recovering your NGL account is super easy, explained in this quick guide. So to recover your old NGL account, all you need is the username you have used before. Once you have that, just enter it and you will automatically be logged in, unlike other apps that require you to go through a complicated process of confirming your password, email or phone number. NGL doesn't require any of that. Simply entering your old username does the trick. However, there's a catch. This method only works if you haven't specifically deleted your NGL account before. So for instance, if you have an old phone that you no longer use and you install NGL on your new phone, you just can log in using your old username. Another example is when you delete the app but don't remove your account, you can easily get back in once you reinstall. So one thing to note is that if you deleted your account from the app settings, you won't be able to recover it. In this case, you lose access to your username and inboxes, and you will just need to create a new account. It's worth noting that NGL has no login form. Whether you're logged out, the same form you used to register is what you use to log back in. So if you didn't delete your account, you don't have to worry about anything like remembering your login details. Once you reinstall, you get automatically logged in. In conclusion, recovering your old NGL account is a walk in the park as long as you didn't delete your account before. All you need is your old username and you're good to go. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.